Hi guys, welcome to Cook Avec Dan, and this week we're doing a Pesto Rosso. First, we need a third of a cup of unsalted almonds. To release the flavor in those almonds, we need to roast it at 350 in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And we need a cup of sun-dried tomato. And it's okay if you grab some oil with it, because anyway we're adding oil to the mixture. Then we need 2 cloves of garlic. Cut it rough and the blender will do the rest of the job. And take 2 or 3 bouquets of rosemary. We add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and some crushed red pepper, maybe 1 teaspoon too. And 3/4 of a cup of good olive oil. And we mix. Okay, so we have our Pesto Rosso with the penne, and I saved some pasta water also. Put a good amount of it on your penne. The pasta water will help make, whoa. Okay, so the pasta water will help make a nice creamy texture with the pesto. Okay, we have our pasta with the Pesto Rosso, and to pair it, I chose this wine from Toscana. It's a red blend with Cabso, Merlot, and Sangiovese. So we should expect something medium bold. This will be good because this dish is flavorful, but not with strong flavor. So we want to have a wine will pair it and not go over it or under it, so it should be good. Let's find out. So this is a nice ruby red color. So the notes on the nose, I smell oak, vanilla, chocolate, yeah. And the fruit are more like black fruit, blackberries. Maybe a little bit earthy. I really like the taste of this. It's very well balanced. The tannins are soft but present. A fresh acidic wine like this with the sun-dried tomato will pair very well. It's very good. The taste of the rosemary in it, it's perfect. I like the garlic in it. This is very basic dish. You can add some more ingredient if you want to. A thing that will go well with it would be Italian sausage. You just chop the sausage and you saute it and put it in the dish. It will be perfect and still be good with this wine. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will try to do this at home. It's very simple. It took like 10 to 15 minutes to make it. Very simple for a week dish. I hope to see you next week because I will make a white pesto. And until then, cheers!